I've got a couple of these AC50S power inverters made by Bluetti. They're a 500 watt inverter. We've been really happy with them. I'll tell you what we use them for. Primarily for running our 12 volt refrigerator while we're camping on the road. And we can charge all of our electronics. I can charge my laptop, power my laptop off of it and everything. I really like them because they charge. We've got a 100 watt solar panel, suitcase panel that we charge them with. They can also charge off of 110 and 12 volts. So I can charge them while I'm driving down the road also in the cars. Very convenient. I didn't buy these, of course, for cooking. They're not made for powering kitchen utensils. But today I'm going to see how long I can power a small crock pot with them. We'll make some chili. But you can look up the specs online. Bluetti AC50S. Currently they're on sale. I think I've seen them for like $3.79 or so. This is the crock pot I'm going to use. It's a little 2-quart crock pot. It's perfect size for 1 or 2 people. They sell them at Walmart for like 12 or 15 bucks. This one only has 2 temperature control settings, low and high. I think the newer ones they have also have a warm, which would come in pretty handy. So we'll see how this does stacked up against the Bluetti. I looked around the kitchen and I did have ingredients for chili, so I'm gonna brown up that hamburger and that onion in the house, and then we'll go outside. Let's go ahead and throw everything in the pot, give it a stir, and turn it on. Power on. Can see that it is charged 100%. Turn on the AC, which is the inverter, and we're going to plug it in right here. And we'll go ahead and turn this to low because that's where I'm going to cook at. And you can see it's already registering 78 watts. Okay, we will see how long the Bluetti lasts, cooking the chili low and slow. First hour gone. Everything's looking good. It is showing 80% of the battery capacity remains. We'll check back in an hour. Okay, we're now at 2 hours. Let's see what we've got. Well, we're still sitting above the 80-degree mark after 2 hours of cooking on low. So far, so good. We are at the 3-hour mark. Let's see how we're looking on battery. Not bad. Still have 60% capacity. So 3 hours, maybe we've used half. We'll see how it goes. Four hours. Looks like we have 40% left. 40% power left after 4 hours. Looking good, smells really good. So 5 hours. Looking good, smelling really good. I'd say we were about there. Yeah, we're down in the last 20% of battery capacity, so I don't think we'll last too much longer. Maybe an hour, maybe not. We'll have to see. But whatever it is, it's been long enough that the chili is cooked and ready to go. We'll give it a little longer. Okay, how long you ask? We're gonna say a little bit over 5 hours. About 5 hours and 15 minutes for this crock pot. Plenty of time to cook the chili. So what did we learn? Well, essentially, I think in the end, if you have a recipe that you can cook on low in a crock pot in 5 hours, the Bluetti AC50S will be able to power it if it's fully charged. So not a bad deal. Bon appetit. Thanks for watching.